So, I want to give you guys some updates about what the projects for the volunteers are, because we have raised $914 from the Ruts Exodus Kibbutz volunteer, supportive volunteer. So this is one of the projects we will be doing. This is Daniel's Smith House of Gratitude. It's what I call the Hobbit House. This will be restored, and it would be expanded on back there. We'll make it bigger. And in the background there you see the high house that we're building. I don't know what you say, I don't know. So anyway, this hub house is going to be a project now for the volunteers. We're starting up between the 1st and the 17th of June. There's a 3-week project, 17 days project, something. And then we're going to be doing the Hobbit House. So this is volunteer project number 1. I'm making it available on our greenhippie.org webpage. We're training puppies. Project number 2 is the pond. We're going to redo one of the pond system. Like there behind me is 1, 2, and 3. We're going to redo number 2 and 3. We have the pond liner ready. So this is one of the projects. Project Pond. And yes, there will be fishes in here. And a solar-powered water fountain and stones to filtrate water. And it's a project that is environmentally interesting. How to make fresh water just using simple techniques. But yet so beautiful. So, come and volunteer for project number 3. Pond. Oh,
hello.
We're going to talk about the upgrading of the Green Hippie headquarters, and we just did this perfect recording and we didn't hit play. So what is the Green Hippie headquarters, my love?
It is the Exodus Kibbutz. It's a place where volunteers can come, and we're going to set up where there's one kitchen set up for everybody, one bathroom set up that everybody can share, but there's a bunch of bunk beds and there are plenty of places to hang out and sit and relax.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
so
enjoy your time off from volunteering.
Exactly. So this is like the private part of the property, where we have an area that is set apart with a trailer, and it's behind the Hobbit House. So it's secluded. We have a bonfire place that we're setting up, and the whole trailer is going to be rebuilt with bunk beds, kitchen, hangout place, piano, hammocks. Anyway, so it is kind of like the Abraham Hostel, but it's the kibbutz place.
Yes.
Green Hippie headquarters place.
Green Hippie headquarters.
And we need actually help to do everything.
Yes.
We are redoing the whole trailer from scratch. So if you like to build, this is your opportunity. Or if you like decorating, join in. Sign up on
greenhippies.org.
Yay! Do you want to grow with us? We have, things are going wild. They're growing. Do you like to grow? We have raised beds. We have garden. We have greenhouses coming up. We have a lot of things. If you have green hands, these are just onion beds, by the way. So if you want to come and volunteer for gardening, sign up for project number 4, gardening. And with that, we wish you welcome to be a Green Hippie volunteer. Go to greenhippies.org, check us out, sign up. We will keep you posted. So check us out. GoForGreenLiving, Green Hippies. Yay.